Hi, I'm Elizabeth, and today I want to show you how to make the single crochet mesh stitch. I normally call it as a mossy mesh stitch because it is half moss stitch, but it is truly a mesh stitch. You can also call it as an aligned moss stitch, perhaps, but you can choose whatever you want to call it. This stitch is just a combination of single crochet and a chain one space, and with these two stitches, as you can see, you can make a plaid design, if you will, or you can also apply a tartan effect. This is what normally the goal if you are to use a mesh stitch. It really looks nice and tidy, nice and simple. Let's go ahead and let's get started. For this moment, I'm just going to use a stash of a chunky yarn. And a 5mm crochet hook. Begin, I'm going to start with a slip knot. The single crochet mesh stitch is a multiple of 2 plus 1 to make it an odd number count, plus 1 for the base chain. For this time, I'll be chaining 20 plus 1, so that's a total of 21 stitches. This is because we wanted to start and finish with a single crochet stitch. Now I have 20 chains. I'll add one more and another one for our base chain. To make the first stitch, I'm going to work a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. I'll be using the back ridge loop of this chain, this one here, then proceed with a single crochet. Then I immediately chain one. I'm going to skip the next chain and then we'll make a single crochet into the next chain. Chain one. I'm going to skip the next chain and then we'll make single crochet into the next chain. Chain one. Going to skip the next chain and then a single crochet into the next chain. I'm going to do that all the way across. Chain one, skip the next chain, then make a single crochet into the next chain. Here the last stitch should be a single crochet. So this is the first row of single crochet mesh stitch. There should be 21 stitches in total here. Alright, let's begin with the second row. I'm going to chain 1. This will not be counted as a stitch, this is just a turning chain, and then I'll turn my work, and I'm going to make a single crochet into the first stitch, which is the last single crochet of row 1. I'm going to chain 1 and then skip the next chain 1 space and work a single crochet into the next single crochet from previous row. Chain 1, skip the next chain 1 space and make a single crochet into the next single crochet. So that's all there is for row 2. I'm going to continue all the way across. You can see I am just making a single crochet on top of the single crochet and skipping all the chain 1 spaces. My last stitch should always be a single crochet. This is the second row of the single crochet mesh stitch. I should still have 21 stitches here. To continue on row 3 and forward, all I have to do is repeat row 2. So I will continue on adding more rows to get some height, and I will show you how it looks after. I'll see you in a bit. So I have made some heights here. You can see I have got straight edges on both sides. The mesh stitch is also the same on both the back and on the front. The possibilities are endless. Just be creative, add some colors, and make your own style. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something, and I'll see you again.